So you want some blinds made, but you have some questions. What blind do I choose? What size do I need? Does it go inside the window frame or over it? And how do I measure? Now these are just some of the questions that you need to be answering when getting blinds made. Not all windows are the same size and shape, so these points can be daunting. But with builders, it's been made so easy with the made-to-measure online blind calculator. Simply follow and answer each step and you can't go wrong. So the first thing we need to decide is what style blind do we want. There's Venetian blinds that have aluminium, wood look, which is a composite, or bamboo. There's also vertical, Roman, panel and roller blinds. There's even outdoor roller blinds. Now for a range of these blinds available, you can visit in-store or check them out online at builders.co.za. If you've chosen a Venetian blind or a vertical blind, the next option is how wide you prefer your slat or panel. Next is your choice of finish, color or material. Again, these options are available in-store if you want a closer look to make a decision. The next option is whether you want your blind face fixed or reveal fixed. What that means is, do you want the blind inside the window frame or over the window? Here you'll need to take things like burglar bars or the depth of the frame into account. Now your option will determine the size the blind is cut to and the type of brackets that are supplied for installation. Now these next two steps are very important, and that's the measurements. To get an accurate fit, we need to take 3 measurements for the width, which are top, center and bottom. For a reveal fix, we'll need the shortest of the 3 measurements and subtract 10 mm for clearance. And for a face fix, we'll need the longest measurement and we'll need to add 100 mils to cover the window. Now if that sounds confusing, don't worry, all the steps are explained on each screen. The next measurement is for the length. So again, 3 measurements, and that's left, center and right. For reveal fix blinds, the shortest length and subtract 5 mm for clearance. For a face fix blind, you want to select the longest and add 100. And that's the hard bit done. The next option is what side of the blind you want your adjusting string or wand. This is up to you and the layout of your room. For certain orders or items, there may be some extra options, like if you want a valance to cover the mechanisms, whether you want your vertical blind left, right or center stacking, or if you need a cutout for skirtings or other fixtures that may be in the way. And that's it. The next thing to do is name your order and select the number of blinds you want at that size. The system will then automatically generate your order. And if you want to change something, it's as easy as going back and editing it on the left. Using the made-to-measure service will ensure your blinds are exactly what you want. Now these are just some of the solutions available to make your experience easier. For other made-to-measure and other supply calculators, visit the Builders website. And for more videos like this, check out the blog. Get to Builders, get it done.